It's Owen's opinions today. Hey, it's Owen's opinions today. Hey. Hey everyone, down here from Owen's Opinions, and today what we gonna do today?
We're gonna play an old Atari game, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I know those blankets look really bad, but that's to cover up our burn, just so you know. Anyways, so it's a really old game. It's got really annoying sound effects, and we hope you enjoy.
Yeah. Based on the movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
All right, let's play. All right, so this game is from free80sarcade.com, and we are going to go ahead and show you this wonderful game. Let's do F12 once we get... Now, there you go. Oh, you got to turn up the volume. Yeah. You got to hear the annoying sound effects.
Oh, it's a wheelchair! Oh no, I died from a skull! A wheelchair!
Don't run out of your fuel. Now, don't use your chainsaw till you're right on those children. Remember, it's just...
How the world am I supposed to do that?
Down, down.
I died.
Down, oh. There she is. That's a scream, everyone. That is a scream. Get up on him. Get up on him.
Die!
Yeah!
Oh, I didn't hear the noise when they die! Ah!
That is the most annoying sound you'll ever hear.
Die!
Oh!
You died!
Annoying sound.
Ah!
This is an old 80s game.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre! Ah!
Oh no, we got hit by
a wheelchair! Just like this, like the Freddy Krueger game!
Oh my gosh, her screams are the most
Texas
annoying
Chainsaw
thing
Massacre.
ever. Alright, let's turn down the volume, because this is just annoying. We've killed 3 people.
Yeah. Wait, why is there 3 people coming to our house?
Did we die? Try again. Alright, we're going to try one more time, y'all. Now we don't have to hear their annoying screams. Yes, we got somebody. No volume sounds weird, though. Maybe we should turn on some volume. Just got hit, darn it. What are those, skulls?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no!
A wheelchair! The evil wheelchair! Always gets us.
I like how he's blue. It's just the weirdest looking thing. Like his chainsaw.
He's supposed to look like Leatherface from
Texas.
Texas.
Not moving. What's happening?
Are you dead? Up, he's so. Oh my.
Oh well, it didn't let me move.
There we go. Died.
Why do they throw wheelchairs at him?
I have no idea. This is actually the first ever video game to be based on a horror movie.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know what
Oh, she's fast. Oh, she's fast. Ah, she's fast.
Get over here. Get over here.
Ah, all right, y'all. Well, that was a quick. Let's see if we can see us. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. You know you want to see our beautiful faces. So anyways, that was a very quick demonstration of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre arcade game. So if you want to check it out, go to free80sarcade.com. We might look for some other weird 80s arcade games and we'll give it a try.
It's based on the horror movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Yep.
But so hope you like this video.
Subscribe.
Bye. Yeah.